the one, the seal that was here and here and here. I removed them, they are dead, which is this is the one, first one. Then the second one, which is goes here. Then the last one, it goes inside also. Yeah, the last one. Then also the O-ring here, suppose you have an O-ring, and here I removed it. This is the first O-ring. Yeah, this is the first. You can see how dead. You can see. This is the first one. This big one supposed to come here. We need a replacement also. Then we have this piston. This is the piston. Yeah. This is seal. That's a wiper. And here there's a seal supposed to come. I removed this. This is the one. So this is the first episode. I remove dismantle the cylinder so that we can buy new seals. I'll come with second episode when I'm fitting those things.